let's get to work here. Oof. Tough start here. Good trade here, though. I've got a nice little rundown. We'll let price sink for a second. There we go. Hey. All right, we're down 5, I think. Yeah. We weren't incorrect totally. We just didn't give enough space. Okay. Damn, price is really fighting. Let's see if we just go with the trend here. Let's see what happens. Oh, it looked promising. We'll secure that. That's absurd. Okay, we'll grab 260 on that. Puts us down 275, 276. Fine. Kind of interested to see what price wants to do here. I'll probably just wait a second. $70 points that was. What a rip. What a rip. What a rip. We did end up finally blowing up our funded account here. So total payouts, honestly, were at $5,489 or something very similar to that. So not bad at all. Not bad at all. But yeah, took a trade here. We went. I believe it was short. I'm sorry, it was long here, and really the trade isn't closed yet because it's just such a massive one. But the drawdown got us. So price dipping down here, it got us, and so we could have been break even, but we just didn't have enough room, so it didn't work out for us. But that was that. So good run, 5K. We turned $100 into $5,000. We will take those returns all day. We should get this account funded probably next week. Even if I get one more trade in here, I'll need to consider the consistency rule. So we get this one funded next week. This one will get funded as well probably next week, and then we'll have 2 more to do, and we'll be right back at it. So excited about that. It is hot as shit in here. Give me 1 second. I'm going to turn the heat down. See, I kind of like a short here, though. Stop, and then right here. I'll be right back. Okay, there we go. Great patience. Awesome. Should put us up. Yep, cool. So good there. Let's bounce over to the next one here. 75 bucks. We're up 184 here. Okay. I see. Wait a minute. Okay. I liked it. Let's see if this runs down for us. Just get, yeah, there we go. Nice. Cuts up 360, good. I think just another sell is going to be in the works for us here. Maybe not. Let's find out. We have to take what we can get here. I have not a great feeling about this one. Okay. Maybe a later entry would work. Let's just see what happens. ATR's on the 30s, which is awesome. Damn. We'll wait. Sheesh. Tremendous run here. Gosh. So I'll probably sell another one up here, honestly. No, I won't. I'm lying. Let's see if we get a little push down here. Just want to see price get here if we can. 7 points. Man, we could have just held on for just a split second more. We could have had something decent. But you guys can see how not that I have an issue with TradingView or anything like that, but you can just see like how much more data you get on Tradeovate than you get on TradingView. Look at all this. Like you make completely different decisions based on these candles, I think. Whether it's to hold on, whether it's to re-enter, whatever the case is, like I think you make much different decisions based on how these candles move, and I got suckered into that one. That one got me. That one got me. I'm gonna try this here. This is not wise. I'm gonna try it. You can get some of that back. Not a ton. Get some of that back. Okay. This account's down. 20 bucks. All right, fine. Yeah, going short was the move again. Just as again, it's just like, wow, there's just so much more detail in this candle, than the trading view. Okay, so VGAPS at the top of this candle here. All right, so we need to be a little bit cautious about this one. Yes, we broke, but I think we're going to continue to play with this level. I'll go stop right above it. Still a large stop. See if it works out for us. This thing has to get down to here, otherwise we're out of here. I don't think it will, but if it gets down to here again, I'll move my stop. Probably to open. I probably won't get the chance, I don't think. Nope. 390, we're down $400 in this account. Okay, how much room do I have left in this account? $400. Okay. VWAP sitting at 53, which is right in here. So we're gonna get a lot of weird price action for the time being. Roger, what's going on? Yeah, I agree, Roger. I totally agree. And they don't have tick data, so they can't provide the clearest of candle movements and everything. It's just not possible with them. Let's try a sell here at this bottom. Let's see if we get a run. ATR fell off a cliff pretty fast. Okay, where are we sitting at now? 32. I should give these candles a little more space. We're down 3. Okay. Probably waited half a second, but I like this. I like this spot. I'm off, but I like this spot. We've got $300 left of drawdown. All right, I'm gonna play up in here if I can. No, it pushed through. We'll wait. Shit. Oh, $40. I'm gonna go sell right here. Let this be a really good spot. Come on. My charts are all messed up. Come on, accelerate down into this. There we go. Whoa, 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 whoa. Let's get that out of the way first, huh? There we go. Nice. Mm. Wow. I just think this is a good spot to go long. I could be wrong. I'm about to blow this account. Yeah, ain't much to do with that one. one too. Sure. See if we can get both sides of this one. Really, stop loss should be here. This would be making more sense. We'll take that. Could have been more, but I'll take that. Oh, could have been a lot more. That'd been nice. All right, we'll leave this alone though. $200 in this account. You know what I can't get to work is my stupid. Can't get my Project X Top Step accounts to copy trade over from my Ninja accounts. It actually is really, really annoying. Let me go short right here. I don't know why, but it just won't copy the trades. And then sometimes it doesn't let me log in, which also pisses me off. Well, I don't know what that's about. I wish I had a fix for it, but I simply do not. So if anybody knows, if anybody copy trades Ninja Trader over to Trade Syncer to Project X, I'd be highly interested in seeing how you did that, because for whatever reason I cannot seem to figure it out. It does not work for me. The trades occur, but I don't. The trades occur in the Ninja, but not in the top step accounts, which is super annoying. When I'm done with this account, very nice. Caught all of that. It was great. 66. Okay, cool. Hold on here. I want to squeeze sell so bad, but I'm gonna wait. Good choice. Okay, so we have a little rejection here. I like that. Hey, Carl. What's going on? That was my shot. Or was it? Sometimes in a trade, you know when you had a chance to be profitable and it passes you. That feeling sucks. I think that was it for me. I think I had a chance to be profitable and I didn't take it. Well, it worked out for me. I got $30 out of that. We'll take it. That long would have been sick. I'm going to attack this one. I'm either get my ass blown out of this trade or I'll make some decent money here. Let's see. Yeah, there's usually no middle ground on those kind of trades. This is up 247, this account. 1 second. I stopped doing that. Hold on. There we go. Well, I'm glad I got out of that short trade because that was holy cow. Let's go long here. Let's just see what happens. I'm gonna hold this one a little longer if I can. Don't reject now. You gotta, bro. You gotta clear all this. That's crazy. Comes with $30. Do it again. Come on. I'm annoyed. There's so much room to clear here. I'm annoyed. I really would have thought that price action again was impossible. I really would have thought that. See if we can get a little bounce here. And then the price would clear, would go from all the way down to back up, all the way down and blow through. I did not see that coming. Go run your ass up. Damn. All right. We got that one. 120. $64. I think that was my shot. Let's see. I know price X to peak above. Okay, I can't believe we got that. That was really lucky. I think price is going to keep going up, but I think it's going to pop down first. Let's see. Actually, the opposite happened. Popped up for a second, and it's going to run down. Nice, $300 on that. Puts us up almost 4 on that account. Great. All right, we'll call it a day for today. Market opens normal time Sunday, and then it closes at noon on Monday, President's Day. So we'll see what the volume's like. Could be a good day to trade, could be a bad day to trade. We'll see. Blew up our funded account, ended up taking $5,400 of payouts from that account in just over Wednesday and Thursday. And then today, of course, we let it go. It got blown up. And then we have this account here that I'll get past. I'll probably take one more trade in this account for about $500 or so. And then we'll try to pass it on Monday if we can. And then we'll do the same thing next week. So big trade to get past buffer, big trade to get payout, and then see if we can get, 1 or 2 payouts next week as well. So we'll hit the ground running with that. Anyway, I'll see you guys. Have a great rest of your Friday the 13th. Don't overtrade because you never know what can happen. And we'll hit the ground next week. I'll see you.